My name is Karin and I'm a general manager here at the Cookery. So the Cookery started in 1977. My parents came to Door County on their honeymoon and they decided to buy a restaurant. So they were married in May of 77 and they opened the Cookery on July 4th weekend, 3.5 months later. So with the Cookery, people love that it's run by our family, that you can really walk in the door and feel like you're welcome. They like the fresh food, fresh ingredients. We've been here for so long that we have a lot of classics, but we're always trying to maintain and create new things and have fresh ideas. So the first item we're going to prepare today is our Cherry Crisp on our dessert menu. Our Cherry Crisp features pie filling it's our own home recipe, and it uses cherries from Sequist Orchards up in Ellison Bay. It's definitely something unique to us, and if you want to try something that's not cherry pie, but it's sweet. Next up is our fish tacos. My mom was really excited by the fish tacos that she had in Mexico. So we came home and she was like, how can we make this a Wisconsin taco? So we take lake perch, hand breaded, topped with our house slaw, pickled onions and jalapenos, and then finish it with sriracha mayo. So it's fun because it's just our own take on the Mexican street taco. Next, we have our Biscuits and Chowder. Our Biscuits and Chowder was actually thought up by one of our servers. He got a lot of requests for sausage gravy and biscuits, and that wasn't something that we did in-house. So we decided to take our homemade biscuits, buttermilk biscuits, top them with eggs, and then pour our whitefish chowder over the top. So it's kind of a riff on sausage and gravy. So we are also doing our Door County cherry and apple salad. So it's mixed greens with local dried Door County cherries. We use local apples when in season from Wood Orchard Market or Crowis Orchards. And then it's topped with Wisconsin Gorgonzola cheese and toasted walnuts with a red wine tarragon vinaigrette dressing. That dish from start to finish is a true Wisconsin dish.